Hello everybody, I'm here to show you how I incorporate Merit Beauty into my routine. So starting off with my brows, I'm using the volumizing brow pomade. And this is the 1980s brows. This is just how I finish off my brows to brush them off and get them in the same direction and get them nice and fluffy. And to shape them, I like to use the complexion perfecting stick in the shade Sienna, and this just defines the shape. Forgive me because when I get to the end, I totally did not get close enough to my brow. And here I'm just blending it out, and see, it just blends seamlessly and effortlessly. So this is just my go-to minimal look. I want to wear makeup, but not too much. So I'm using that complexion stick again, and I'm using the shade Chestnut for my foundation. And this is like almost a perfect match. And I'm just blending it out with this kabuki brush. Again, it blends out so seamlessly. It doesn't even look like I'm wearing makeup. It just gives me a nice, even complexion. It blends out so smooth and so creamy. It's amazing. But this is the foundation I go to nowadays, especially since we've been wearing masks and I don't wear a lot of makeup. It just makes sense to do just a little bit. So even when I'm recording videos, I don't wear a lot of foundation. And then here comes the stick again. I'm using it in their darkest shade Umber to add depth and dimension with my contour. And I love it again because it's so rich and creamy and it blends out seamlessly. And so I love Merit Beauty because I can incorporate it with products that I use every day. And I have the highlighting balm in the shade Bounce, and I just take a little bit of this on my brush and just apply that to the high points of my face. I love this because it just blends naturally with my skin. It gives me that natural glow, and it's not too much, and it's not a chunky highlighter either. But this is why we are all here today, because Merit Beauty sent me 2 of their new signature lip colors I'm so excited about. And Merit Beauty is all about minimalist beauty, and I love how they are being sustainable with their packaging. So you can just take this little foam insert and put it in water, and it dissolves, saving the environment one package at a time. Love that, Merit. So I was able to choose 2 of their lip colors, and y'all know I love a dark lip. So this is La Avenue, and this is a deep brick red color. And I love how it gives a nice subtle flush of color and not too much. It goes on smooth. It feels so enriching, and just like their lip gloss, I feel like I could use this to moisturize my lips if I didn't have chapstick. Like having chapstick underneath this would be too much. This is just nice and creamy, and that's how it swatches. It's amazing. And then the second shade I chose was 1990. I just had to because makeup styles are all about the 90s today. This is the perfect rich chocolate brown, and this is a perfect nude for me. It matches my natural lip color. I love it. It's like a milk chocolate. And here's the swatch for that color. And this is my minimalist makeup look, my go-to look, and how I incorporate Merit Beauty into my everyday beauty routine. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe before you go, and check out my links for all the products in the description box and my affiliate link. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.